Friends and family, I hope you all have been doing good. Welcome back to another special video. Guys, I am having fun here. What a beautiful life that I'm living. Look at me. Who am I that God is so mindful of me? I am having the best life, guys. You cannot understand. Look at me and my grandbaby. Isn't this beautiful? This is such a blessing. Please comment there and say, God bless my grandbaby. Grandma did it. Grandma did it, Papa. Be careful, Papa. Chidebube is full of joy. He's making me feel so blissful, guys. I'm enjoying him. Grandbaby came to see Grandma. He can say hello now. I can tell him to say hello. Papa.
Papa.
Papa. Say hello.
Nana. 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 Nana.
Papa, say hello.
Nana.
Say hello, Papa.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Wow.
Hey, Papa. Papa, let me blow it. Let me blow it, Papa.
Oh, wow. Dad.
My grandbaby, my joy, my joy, my joy, my joy, my joy, my joy. I am only a merenga cable. Do you have any grandbaby that can give you chicken? And is eating the chicken with you at the same time. What a love we share. What a joyful moment we share. I'm no more sick. I am healed. This is joy, tranquility, peace. Oh God.
Thank you.
Actually,
You finish?
So guys, I asked hubby to get me some mackerel fish because I've run out of mackerel fish. So I just roasted this courtesy of Esther, my daughter. My daughter is around with my grandbaby. So I'm going to use it to make okra soup. I've gone in with oil in my pot. I'm going to go in with my onion and locust beans. Guys, my husband just told me my sister and her husband are coming to see me after I have returned from the hospital. So they want to come and see me. And I know she'll not be happy to see me in the kitchen because she said Esther should be the one cooking. But Esther don't know how I want my okra, and that's why I'm here. I'm gonna blend this. I just need just one pepper, not very harsh. Blend my ginger, garlic, onion. It's my vegetables, nicely cleaned by Esther. Oh, believe me, yeah, man. Yes, so. So this is my okra, nicely chopped by Esther. I just love the way she chops okra for me. And this is my prawn. Using it. Let's blend our peppers. My sister and her husband are almost here, according to my husband, so we're going to miss some parts of this video. This is our blended pepper. Once they get here, I might not be able to show you guys everything that is going on here because they want to pay attention to me. Please ignore my grandbaby's noise. See all they brought for me. Oh. This can only be love, guys. See my udara that my sister brought for me. Papa. Chide bube. I saw again. Daddy, come. Papa, come. Come and take watermelon, Daddy. Papa, come and take watermelon. Oh my God. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Say hi. Say hi, Papa. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. Say hi. Hey. So my husband and I are going to drop my grandbaby off. He's already sleepy. You can see him yawning and acting very quiet. He's so tired, actually. He has played too much today. Let me just have you here. Let me have you here, baby. So we stopped at Walmart to pick few items. I first outing after my surgery. Hey guys. Just went to drop off my grandbaby. We went to drop off Chidebube. And then we decided to stop here and pick few items. Things that I needed. Yeah. I just can't stay at home. This is just like, an exercise for me coming out for the first time, I just want to pick these items myself because there are some things that you will get from me. I will not be able to eat them. So just few items that I need. I have a lot of foodstuffs at home. These are just few items that I need to survive for right now. I have special things that they said I'll be eating now. So I just came to quickly pick few of these items. I might show you these things when I get back.
Before them, say go and get what you want.
My Oyibo husband. Onyocha baby. I think we are going home from here, guys. Guys, I'll see you when I get home. Thank you. I'm going to take this brown rice seriously now. That's what the doctor said I'll be eating. Brown rice. So that's what we actually, that's part of what we actually went to buy. Yeah, I bought some black eyed peas, even though I cannot eat akara now, but I am craving for beans and I don't have black eyed peas. I was just craving for black eyed peas. I have some other special beans. So I bought some few. I've also been craving for corn. I'm going to eat corn tonight. Yeah. Bought some tomato. I added some lime. I got tangerine also. I ran out of some onion, so I got some few pieces of onion. I bought egg. I bought this yogurt. I like this yogurt. I like this yogurt a lot. It's really healthy. I bought some apple sauce, which is one of the things I'll be eating now. Let me know if you like this particular almond milk. There are several types of almond milk. For milk, I'm not even permitted to eat a lot of it, just a little bit according to the doctor. I also bought orange juice. I'm permitted to take tangerine, orange juice, and all the beautiful citrus. Please drop your comments. Let's interact on the comment section. I'm cooking my corn. You all know I like fresh corn. So it's going to be my snack for tonight. I hope you have liked this video. Share to your family, friends, and loved ones. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you all so much.